Today we will do an embodied meditation. And before we go into it, I just want to remind you that the embodied meditation is different from mindfulness of the body, in that when we are mindful of the body, there is still some separation between mind and body. But when we learn to meditate as a body, we dissolve the separation and enter the domain of total oneness. One of James Joyce's stories, A Painful Case, begins like this. Mr. Duffy lived a short distance from his body. And really, many of us live just like that, a short distance from our bodies. We are so rarely in the present moment. Our habit is to be somewhere else, ruminating, being nostalgic about the past on one hand, or worrying, fantasizing about the future. Living like this in our head, we are missing out on the full experience of life. Many of us use the body as if it's a brain taxi. Well, it's not. Shutting our bodies out is the way for many of us to kind of ignore what's happening. And it's like driving a car and ignoring dashboard symbols. Our body always lives in the present moment. Reconnecting with our body, can make us healthier, happier, and more vibrant. It makes us feel more alive. On a practical level, our body communicates with us all day, and once we start to tune into this communication, we start giving ourselves what we really need to thrive. Of course, we all learned the biggest signals of the body, such as I'm hungry, I'm thirsty, etc. But there is so much more. On a subtler level, when we live an embodied life, we reconnect with our instinct, our gut feeling, and become more attuned to our physical and emotional states. For example, we can feel the anxiety coming, and we can do something about it before we spiral and completely lose it. Or we can read the signals that precede a painful flare-up and intervene before anything drastic happens. Anyway, without any further ado, let's dive into this basic practice of embodied meditation, a body scan. We've done this many times before, but today I want you to focus on how you're relating to your body. Are you experiencing this body scan as the body, or are you just moving your awareness around your body as if you're looking at it from the outside, which would be mindfulness of the body? Also good, just not the task we're going to do today. So see if you can stay in the body and really connect with your direct experiences from the inside out. As always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Allow your breath to be easy and natural. No struggle. Notice how the breath flows in and out of your body. How your body responds to the breath. And I recommend that you now place your attention and feel into your hand and feel your right hand from the inside out. This is going to be your primary anchor for the practice. And every time you notice that your mind drifts off, bring it gently but firmly back to the sensation in your right hand. Throughout this body scan, I'll bring your attention to different parts of your body. Simply follow my voice and see if you can inhabit this part from the inside out as a body. Don't worry if you don't have an empty mind. It's absolutely normal to become distracted by thoughts, especially planning or worrying, or be distracted by other senses, maybe sounds or whatever sensations you experience other than that. So if you notice that you are distracted, congratulate yourself. In that very moment, you are being totally present. So no worries, just simply following my voice as I name different parts of your body, and you inhabit those parts from the inside out. Let's start with the crown of your head. Feel it from the inside out. Don't just visualize or imagine it, really feel it as a body. What's really happening around the crown of your head? What are the sensations? Maybe tingling, expansion, warmth, numbness. You don't have to name anything. Just connect with a direct experience. Trust it. Now bring your attention to your face. Feel it from the inside out as a body. Not just visualizing, imagining, really feeling into it. Move your awareness to your throat. What do you notice here? Again, no need to name, just feel. Your right arm from shoulder to hand. Your left arm from shoulder to hand. What are the sensations here from the inside out? Your torso, front and back. Your pelvis. Feel it from the inside out as a body. Your left leg from hip to foot. Your right leg from hip to foot. And now feel your entire body as one radiant sensation. Truly inhabit your body. Don't just imagine or visualize it as an outside observer. And remember not that it's wrong to visualize or imagine it, to be mindful of your body. It's just a different way to relate to it. Now we're trying to inhabit the body. Feel it from the inside out. Your whole body. Breathing. Being alive with sensation. Living in the present moment. If any thoughts or emotions or sounds distract you from this, don't worry. Just bring your attention back inside the body, feeling your body from the inside out. And I'd like to complete our practice today with a poem from Dana Ashworth. Mary Newman shared it with me the other day. Thank you for this, Mary. It's called I Wonder If You Know. I wonder if you know the work your body has done today and every day. How much disease it has fought off. How many times it could have failed but battled on. How many ways it could have broken but didn't. I wonder if you know the work your body has done today and every day. And each day it's done this amazing job without your help, without your approval, your acceptance, your kindness. Each day it has soldiered on, regardless of the constant stream of negativity pulsing its way from your brain into your cells. Not good enough, not attractive enough, not the right shape. Perhaps it's time to see your body for what it truly is, an amazing and mind-blowingly competent machine to get your soul to where it needs to be in this life, to let you live. I wonder if you know how much better you would be as a team. I wonder. As you go through your day today, I invite you to notice if you, like Mr. Duffy from James Joyce's story, live a short distance from your body most of the time. And remember, it's okay, it happens to all of us. Nothing to worry about. But see if you can start shifting your relationship with your body. See if you can start becoming a team by simply bringing your awareness to how often you can actually live as a body. As always, don't obsess with this inquiry. Have fun with it. Enjoy whatever you discover. Thank you so much for being here. Have a beautiful day. And I will see you tomorrow.